Sometimes I wished that I could fly.
In this program now, it's mostly songs. As I say, it's taking us through that journey, the American Songbook. But it's also highlighting the spirituals as the foundation, inspiration for all of the music that was created here in America by different artists. I want you to know and get to know my ancestors, our fellow Americans that actually worked in the fields, that actually worked to help build this great country. It took all of us, every slave and every non-slave, to create what we have today. And it's up to us to pass it to the next generation. When you really go back and you are proud of the people who endured this, then you become proud of yourself. You see, so this is what happens when you know your ancestors and you know your history and really understand that in the songs they created is our history. That when they created these songs, it was a way to have a conversation. It was a way to heal their pains. It was a way to teach their young, record their history. They were victimized, but don't look at them as victims. Look at them as our fellow Americans.